Yes, so my country people I agree to now. Manchester United 2 and Brentford 1. And we get Oga Victor, we be Obunga person and Obunga Mayu fan make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Victor, now how you see your team performance today? Because this na game when be like say, don't the one be like saying another loss for Manchester United. But last, be like say they bring back that Alex Ferguson time, come back today. How you see the performance?
Well, the performance not done, not just make sense at
Mm,
all. Yes, they win, oh,
mm,
we'll carry and go as but if we continue like this, we'll end up for the second half of the league like this.
mm,
If we continue, because I'm not saying usually they contribute to, but man, you know they play anything. They just dey knock the ball, but then they take out they do anything. Then they play any killer pass, they go give attackers. They just dey knock the ball, back, but nothing dey happen. But we thank God, victory, 3 points, that
mm.
matters. Because if that 3 point not there, I believe say first thing before the end of next week, that coach make you carry it back the goal land
Mm.
because not just try, but to God be the glory, we will win. I will take that until rest for our shoulder.
So talking about the coach now, got Victor now. We know we don't already hear some side talk from some Manchester United fans concerning the coach work now. Say this guy, be like say this guy, this work, be like say no go fit do am. We don't dey hear some talk from media. We don't see the hear say Manchester United won't stand for the guy back it but say then trust him. You think saying go fit survive this pressure because the pressure don't mount like this. You think say go fit survive the pressure where they for where sit down for where they for under that share when he sit down right now.
Well, any club when e be say the board don dey support, make you
Mm,
know say 60% chance say dem go sack dat coach. But for the fact say im still dey manage dey patch up and
mm,
one eye dey use one eye take dey suggest say injury dey affect am. If not, for the performance e no join. E no just get any performance wey we go say e dey contribute. No style, no flair. Dey just dey play individual, dey just dey play like that. See, if say dem lose dis match for Man U to lose 5 straight home match, wetin never happen for more than 40 years, e come happen, abeg, the coach no worth am.
okay, line.
E no worth am at all, e no worth am, e no worth am. But make we leave am as e bad, na still our own.
Mm,
We know say God go do am, we go still go back to the top of the league.
mm,
And I still get the belief say we still dey back.
mm.
As far as still dey collect the point, go dead. Somehow, e dey just comot tears for our eye because dis next 2 weeks na international break.
Mm.
I just dey imagine how we go take cope. How the press for UK wan take cope, what dem wan take talk about am. Na im name na go dey headline. Because you know say if team dey lose, na the coach dey get am. If dem dey win, na the players dey get am.
Mm.
Because Rashford e no get any role for the team currently because e drop form.
Mm.
But I get believe say one still make one or two players come back on injury, especially the two flank. The two flank dey contribute. Luke Shaw and Bissaka, if dem come, so we go see changes. But for now, as far today is concerned, supposing we lose this match, bros, I no like you. Make the coach make go straight to Holland, go
Mm.
relax. Because this victory, e clear a lot of vacuum now e remove for the back of our mind.
Mm.
A lot of Man U fans dem go still celebrate for the
We get
next.
something to take happy for
Oh,
the club.
but if not, I just dey imagine.
Mm.
Make dem not give up. There will still things go still happen, and I still believe on the team. For the fact say we win today, I still
Mm.
believe on the coach. But as e mean say we lose, forget.
Wahala for this.
Wahala for there. The camp don scatter.
Mm.
Wetin how coach go dey get fight with im own player? Let me say the dressing room something dey when dey
Nothing dey
happen
inside.
because you dey lose, you still dey punish your players. You no dey win, no be you go let things happen make your play victory dey for the camp. But we thank God, he win the match. We just leave am, we salute am. He try, he carry this one go.
Since you don't reach the Elga Victor, more talk about this Sancho matter. How you see this matter where they happen with the coach? Because I don't talk to different Man U fans. Some they remind me about what happened between the coach and Cristiano Ronaldo. Say be like saying at the same film, the same cassette, and the coach not they play again with Jadon Sancho. How you they see this thing where they happen between Sancho and Ten Hag now?
Well, for this Sancho matter,
Mm,
the coach dey right because when he sign for the club, he tell dem say all of them agree on rules and regulation. All of them, they agree. They
mm,
sign paper say we go follow your anything you talk, and they agree. Now, Ronaldo break the rules of wetin they agree.
mm.
The board
Change am for
say
Ronaldo.
he change am for Ronaldo na big name. Nobody
Mm.
expect say he go use that footstep
Package
for
Ronaldo
Ronaldo.
like that.
Jordan Sancho na little for where the coach dey.
Mm.
Jordan Sancho, he no get that is make he just go dey apologize. If
Take
not,
2 seconds.
if he no apologize, make he no play.
Mm.
That na for Sancho because na wetin all of them agree. So you need to follow. You see, Last season Rashford fuck up now. The coach still bench Rashford even when Man U dey tight corner. Rashford come let am know say coach I'm sorry. Now he bring her come game come play. Now na the same thing dem dey tell Sancho say bros do like this o because this coach wey we dey see so he ready to carry division amateur players come play. He no send you. And ex-players they don still tell Sancho say Sancho apologize. One word sorry no go comot anything for your body because if e good na for you if e bad na the coach. So right now the coach dey manage the two things dey go. So Sancho I support the coach for Sancho because na wetin all of them agree for the beginning of the season.
So for today performance, now which player you go point in and be your man of the match?
Well, for today performance, well, I know say all of the try they give us the 3 points, but I go see say Bruno and Scott McTominay they try because the small changes wey the coach make, impact come up, and na who give us the goal, now we go salute for the week. We not send all the rest people they not try, but McTominay 9/10, Bruno 8/10. That's why I see the game.
So before I let you go, Oga Victor, what do you get to talk about? Onana, what's the name performance today?
That guy overconfidence dey worry am. You know when he dey Italy, camera no dey face am. But for England na camera. More than 40 camera na dey stadium compared to Italy. So any mistake, any blunder for England, e be like video CD. They dey pick am, they dey put am for headline. And him na he come na dey form oga, feel say he can do anything. See, Man U don lose a lot of losing, he contribute. That's why if you see am now, he morale come down. He dey hide himself for inside JC. But he no get choice. The purpose why they bring am come, he need to deliver am. If not, we go tie am flog. You no fit say na Cameroon national team na be this when he say they tell coach what to do. For here, this one big pass national team. Make he come with Yagada, make we dey see am because he no dey put himself strong on the game. Too much of confidence dey worry am. He wan kick ball based on say they say he sabi kick ball, he come dey cause blunder. So, but for his performance, he never still live to 5. In fact, he never live to 10% of his expectation. Mo not use the Champions League final when he dey distribute the ball. Na England we dey talk. England na fast game. Camera dey look you, and he dey fuck up. As he stand so he dey fuck up. He never lift the team because anything wey pass defense, we dey expect him to do something, but he go just dey make the team look so simple for the team, and they make the ugba of the team dey open like say na video CD. No, don play how many match? I don play about, if I no make mistake, almost 9 match or 10 match. He don concede close to 17 goals. No. This one, his performance not good. Not good. I'm not support am for one bit. At the time, make the bench am one day, make know say he need to shine high. You dey form fine boy. The fit say na go detect. Now, he no fit dey talk. He dey post, we dey get believe say they will score us when he dey there. On a normal ground, as he comes, so we know say he's supposed to dey help us. But now he no dey help us. He no dey help us, Onana. He contribute to our problem, but on the second thought, na still good goalkeeper. No doubt. But for England, as far as England is concerned, he never do anything. They make our opponent they underrate us. If we say we not get goalkeeper assistant. So that's how I see Onana matter.
All right, now, Oga Victor, thank you for your